Code is how we talk to machines and how we tell them what to do. So we need it in order to translate what we want into a language machines understand. Code is important because with rising automation and more technology in our lives every day, more and more jobs are going to disappear. And so more and different types of people have to learn the skills, including code, in order to work with and alongside machines. Code is literally everywhere. So from 100 million lines of code in your car to Amazon Alexa, we see code coming into the homes in order to automate things like turning lights on, ordering your shopping, Facebook apps that you may use. For example, with web development, we have HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and they are all used for very different purposes. So HTML is how we structure the content, very much like Lego blocks building up the content of a website. CSS is how we style that content and how any web page looks better than just text down the side. And JavaScript is how we make web pages dynamic, so interaction or interacting with servers. And those three together make up the bulk of every website in the world. So let's learn how to code. Here we have the School of Code platform, which teaches people the basics of web development. As you can see, we've got HTML, which is the building blocks of the web. And you can see the pattern, triangle face slash triangle, and we've got a face appear. Triangle hairstyle slash triangle, and we have a hairstyle. So if we had to guess how to type mouth and make it appear, we'd probably guess triangle mouth slash triangle, and we have a mouth appear. So let's move on to CSS, which is how web pages are styled. So as you can see with the pattern above, we can copy it and say .mouth and fill it with the color of white. And as you can see, the mouth has turned white. Moving on to JavaScript, which makes web pages dynamic and interactive. We can type in jump and animate our character as well. As your skills develop and you get more advanced, you can go from these weird little blue characters that we've made right now, all the way through to a fully fledged Santa Claus. So what can we do with code in the real world? Well, let's say I'm not happy with Aston Villa being in the Championship anymore. Let's go over to BBC Sport, find the Premier League table, and since we know how to program now, we can click on Man City, who are doing pretty well, and change that so that Aston Villa are back where they belong, top of the Premier League. All that's changed is the front-end code. So although I want Aston Villa at the top, in reality, they're still back in the Championship. As you can see, fake news appears to have become reality.